How to change app language in Hi TV mobile app. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Hi TV mobile app and wait for the ad to complete. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on a profile icon. Now under my list, tap on language. From this screen, you can change your app language. So by following this simple step, you can change app language in Hi TV mobile app. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.